Do you want to make money while you sleep? Here are 6 AI tools that can work for you and bring serious cash. 1. Runway ML, an AI studio for video creation and special effects. How to make money. Create special effects for clients. Earn 50 to 300 euros per video. Remove video backgrounds 5 to 20 euros per video. Make AI video ads 100 to 500 euros per ad. Keycap 2 DeepL Translator, the most accurate AI translator in the world. How to make money. Offer translation services, earn 10 to 50 euros per project. Translate for YouTube channels 50 to 200 euros per client monthly. Translate e-books 100 to 500 euros per book. Keycap 3 Sounddraw.io, an AI tool that creates music for you. How to make money. Create custom music for YouTubers. Earn 20 to 100 euros per track. Sell music on Audio Jungle and Pond 5, passive income, 5 to 50 euros per sale. Make shorts with your music. Earn through music deals, about 0.004 euros per listen. Keycap 4 Looka, an AI that creates logos in seconds. How to make money. Design logos for businesses. Earn 50 to 200 euros per logo. Create full branding packages 100 to 500 euros per package. Sell logos on Fiverr, average price 30 to 150 euros. Keycap 5 Copy.ai, an AI that writes for you. How to make money. Write blog posts, earn 30 to 150 euros per article. Write product descriptions 5 to 20 euros per product. Write sales copy for companies 50 to 500 euros per campaign. Keycap 6 Hotpot.ai, an AI that creates graphics, images, and restores old photos. How to make money. Create AI images for sale, earn 5 to 50 euros per image. Restore old photos, earn 10 to 50 euros per photo. Design social media graphics 20 to 200 euros per client monthly. Imagine using these 6 tools every day. Earning 500 euros to 5,000 euros per month is totally possible. Right finger follow me for more AI money-making tricks.